Okay. Thanks, guys, again for joining me, and I really appreciate it. And thanks for all the effort you guys made so that we can at least finally present using Microsoft Teams. So today's topic, it's actually something that I already presented, and it's about fear. And according to UK Online App Dictionary, describes fear as a strong, uncontrollable, unpleasant emotion caused by actual or perceived danger or threat. We can go through various phobia, such as social phobia, claustrophobia, acrophobia, grossophobia, and gamophobia. So, different fears are caused by different things, and in order to actually tackle this fear, you have to go to the root cause of the fear that one is experiencing. Things that can cause fear are like environmental factors, genetic, it can be inherited, um, or traumatic life experiences. Sometimes people go through really excruciating experiences that can cause excessive fear. Now, what can we do in order to overcome excessive fear? What one can do is try the basic thing that you can do is to try to live a healthy lifestyle. For example, eating healthy, exercising, having good sleep, and also try to face your fear if possible. For example, I often give an example of if you have a fear of public speaking, it's really ideal that one can do public presentation now and then, and eventually one will notice that the fear will go away by just facing it instead of running away from it. Just face it and deal with it. And also, it's very advisable that if one is experiencing excessive fear to the point where a person cannot do the normal, live a normal life that they should, it's really important that they seek professional help. And we have also to remember that um, fear is not really a problem, but excess, because we need a little bit of fear to just keep our adrenaline working. For example, if you see a snake, you eventually run away because you have that kind of fear. Little, less fear is needed, but excessive fear is not good. Thanks, guys, for listening, and yeah, see you in the next video.
Nice, Ole. So now can I start my presentation then?